Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be sharing with you how I made this Afro puff drawstring using the crochet method. This was made with Mali braids, and like I said, I used the crochet method for it. So guys, if you want to see how I achieved this look, please do not go away, keep on watching. So now let's get started. So this is the cap, or should I say the drawstring net I used. I got it from AliExpress for just barely €1. Yes, so now I'm going to clip the net to my mannequin just like this. She feeling my way. You whisper to her friends, say she's feeling my face. And this is the Mali braids I use. It's an old one. I had it in the house before. I'm just going to cut it into 3 parts because it is kind of long. So I'm going to start the crochet now. I'm going to divide a strand into 2 parts and start to crochet. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping it low for a bad man. Ginger me. How they want to ginger me today? Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me today. So I'm here for the girl then. Mr. DJ, play my song. Yeah, I'm chilling with the girl then. And we getting high all night long. Bulaka. She love the bad thing, she hold a bad man, she want the bad thing. I'm all up on her waist when we dancing. She don't care about nobody when we grinding. Make you ginger me, how they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me today. Hey, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah, 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 nah. His body, baby. His body, baby. Oh, let go. Ha. Oh, na na. Bum 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 bum. Oh, na na. Oh, na na. Bum 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 bum. Oh, are you feeling my way? Cause I'm feeling your way. So pass up on the family, mama say it's okay. Oh, them up pay me on surely. Baby, you know it's okay. Nah. You're a pretty fine girl and I'm a pretty fine westerner. Nah. You're a really cool girl, I got a really good listener. Ha, she feeling my way. You whisper to her friends, say she's feeling my face. Ha. So guys, I am all done. So the next step is to water it just like this. So next I'm going to cream it with some oil. I'm using baby oil here. Then comb it out to look natural. When she dropping the low for a bad man, baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for. So next I'm just going to trim it to take shape. When she dropping the low for a bad man, nah. Ginger me, how they want to ginger me. And now my drawstring Afro puff is all ready. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to wear it. I'm chilling with the girl then, and we getting high all night long. Bulaka. She love the bad thing, she hold a bad man, she want the bad thing. I'm all up on her waist when we dancing. She don't care about nobody when we standing. Make you ginger me, in the house they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house they want to ginger me. Hey, hey, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah, 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 nah.
So guys, we have come to the end of this video. I do hope you find this video helpful. Please, if you do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you and bye.
His body baby, his body baby.